When people make caramel sauce with sweetened condensed milk, they either boil it in a sealed metal can or cook it in the microwave. Although both of these cooking methods are pretty valid and have their benefits, I will show you a cooking process that will give you beautiful golden brown, rich in flavor, and super creamy homemade caramel sauce, also known as Dulce De Leche. Watch it to the end to see an important step that most people skip to get an absolutely irresistible, mouth-watering result. Here is how to make Dulce De Leche in the oven. Baking condensed milk in the oven is quite easy, and it really helps to achieve a real toffee-like caramel taste, like no other method. However, there are a few important steps you need to follow to make it work perfectly. Before we start, you must get sweetened condensed milk and not the evaporated milk. Evaporated milk has no added sugar, so evaporated milk will never turn into a rich, toffee-like caramel no matter how long you cook it. So, once you have your condensed milk, open the can and pour it into an oven-safe bowl or pot. Cover the bowl with a lid or aluminum foil. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Expect the cooking time to take about 1 hour and 30 minutes to up to 2 hours. Now, place the bowl with the condensed milk inside another slightly larger baking dish and fill the outer container with enough water to reach about halfway up the side of the bowl. So basically, we are creating a double boiler. About 1 hour mark, check that the water hasn't evaporated. Top up the water if needed. Just make sure to use hot water so you won't slow down the caramelization process. Keep baking till condensed milk has turned into a golden brown, toffee-like color. Remove from the oven and check if you are happy with the level of caramelization. Now, at this point, the caramelized condensed milk may not look the most appetizing, and you may even think that the experiment has failed, but don't give up just yet. Using an immersion blender, blend the caramelized condensed milk into a smooth and creamy caramel sauce. Now, once the caramel is creamy and smooth, without any lumps, cover it with plastic wrap. Make sure the plastic wrap completely covers and is actually touching the caramel, so it won't get a chance to form a skin on the surface when it cools. Place the bowl in the refrigerator for a few hours so that the caramel would cool down and take on a slightly thicker, richer, luxuriously gooey, and utterly drool-worthy texture. Now, if you don't have enough time or patience to make caramel in the oven, then check out my other video on how you can make close to perfect Dulce De Leche with condensed milk in just under 15 minutes. I have left the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.